Hi, in one of my previous videos I have shown you how WD Gann was using numerology to find important reversal points of the market. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you to watch this video first in order to understand the idea which I'm going to show you over here. It says how to find reversal points of the market. The link you will find in the description down below. In this video I'll show you how to find precise points of major market reversals of Euro-USD based on planetary position. You will be very surprised how exact it is and how easy you can do it yourself for your trading. But first, please press subscribe button to not miss any further videos from this series regarding WD Gann techniques. Let's start the rock and roll. All the lines but one I have drawn in the video mentioned at the beginning shown turning points of the market, but not exactly as we would wish. Now I will show you how to use planetary positions in order to make our predictions more precise. As you remember, last time I have drawn 4 lines on the chart. Let's have a butchers at one of them. Oh, sorry. I've got bad habits with Cockney, the South London rhyming slang. The butchers comes from butcher's hook, which makes a rhyme with look. To have a butchers means to have a look. Okay, if you know other Cockney phrases, please let me know in the comments. The ruling planet of Euro-USD is Venus. So, in order to determine future price reversals of this pair, we first have to find the round number of Venus position when reversal occurs. I usually find it using a simple application called Astrolog version 6.4. You can see it over here. That's the one. So Astrolog looks like that, as you see. Here we've got a zodiac with planets. And on the right, over here, we've got planets' position shown in degrees, which is here. We can change the settings here to get it in 360 degrees, just to make it clear. Here we go. So we got from 0 to 360 and again. The planet move in circular movements, and their positions are shown on the right in this window. So let's assume that the market made a minimum somewhere here, over here, alright, and let's have a look what position of Venus, the ruling planet at the time, was at the bottom of the price, which was over here. So the price made a minimum on 26th of December 2016. And now I will set the astrolog exactly to the date. If you just bear a moment, I'll do it right now. So I set the astrolog program on the date 26th of December 2016, and now, as you see, Venus at that date was at the position 322 degree. So this position corresponds of the position of the Venus on that date where the market made minimum of whole long trend down. So we got 322, as you can see. Now, as you remember, let's close it. We made over here, we made in such a way, we calculated from the square root of the value of the price of the minimum was other minimum, was minimum of the lowest close in that trend. But now we just a couple of days later we found the minimum was over here. So as we calculated the square root of the value of the price, we had the value of 322, which when we added, as you remember, 322 days to that date we calculated, we arrived over here. But the market didn't do the maximum that time. We missed the top. That's right, we missed the top because this method was not exact. We had a local bottom, it is local bottom over here, but we didn't hit this top somewhere around here. So what we should do right now? Right now we should find a place where the planet Venus appears at the same value as it happened at the bottom of the market here. So let's try to find it. Sorry for the graphics of this astrolog, is just very low quality. But let me do it pretty quickly. Okay, so I'll find now the date, and let's try to find the date where the market moves. Oh my god, 2065. It's too far. It's too far away. Sorry guys about that. So we are here in 2014, 16, 17, and the Venus is 272. Let's change it to the month adding. We are pretty close. 311 is in January 26, and now we will change date every day over here. We are January 26, look, 27, 28, 29, January 30th. Already, look, Venus is 316. We got 317, 318, 19, 21, 322. We got the date. February the 4th, 2018. Okay, let's try. Let's have a look. Where is it? February, once again. It was February 4th, 2018. So it's somewhere here. Look over here. We just make it bigger. February 4th, 2018. Where is it? It is here. No, it's 2nd. It shows 2nd February. This one is 5th. So 4th was Sunday. The market was closed. But look where we are. We are here, just in the top of the market. So it's somewhere here. So here we calculated from the square root the market reversal. And here we arrived at the reversal from the position of planet Venus. Planet Venus just arrived to the same place where it was at the date when the trend reversal occurred over here from the minimum. And if you look more carefully here, you will realize that market didn't hit that far from this value, but it started on 5th of February actually, which was Monday. From here, then market started to go in range and started collapsing from that level exact here, as you see the close of 5th of April. So this method, as you see, with the planetary position is more precise. What do you think? It just happened randomly. What's your opinion about it? I'd like, if you got different opinion, I don't think it's random. But if you do, just let me know, write in the comment down below. So at the moment, it's just the beginning of calculating of planetary position and determining the future price reversals on the market. Well, if you like this video, please just give me a like or subscribe to my channel just to not miss any other video in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.